Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security, and what we got today here is a Mercedes ML350, and what we've installed on this vehicle is full factory style rear headrest screens. Now as you can see, these are fully built into the headrest, direct replacements, so the screen's all nice and tidy inside, and when you leave the vehicle you can cover them up with the seat cover, as you can see like that, and pretty much zip it up and looks pretty much as original as it does. So you know, nobody can see that you've got screens in the back here. So yeah, these are full screens. They got full CD support, so you can put CDs on here, and it also will mirror it. So if you got one CD, you can mirror it to the other screen, so this saves you having to get multiple CDs. So I'll show you here. You can see that is now mirroring this screen. All the audio and everything will come through as well. So you only need one DVD and it will put it on the other screen. You also got support for additional stuff like AUX, USB and HDMI, so you can connect any external devices into it. And just give you a little demo of the screens. Beautiful full HD screens.
Not really. This is the first time I've ever flown a balloon.
So yeah, if you want something like this installed in your vehicle, give us a shout on 0208 554 5554. Even give us an email at info@carsoundsecurity.com. Thank you.